Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make onion cup pies. Let's get straight into the video. Here I have 250 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 75 grams of unsalted butter. Gently rub to mix until it resembles crumbs like this. Here I have one medium-sized egg and a quarter cup of water. I'll separate the yolk of the egg and add into the flour. I'll be adding the water gradually while mixing gently. I'll mix gently until it forms a dough. Be gentle while mixing. Then bring it together. Roll it together this way. Then I'll get a cling film and wrap the dough. After wrapping, I will transfer into the refrigerator and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is in the refrigerator, let's prep the filling. I have my pan here, transfer some vegetable oil and some onions. Here I'm adding some spices and some salt to taste. I'll give it a stir. This is grated carrots, some pepper, crushed pepper, and give it a stir also. I'll add a seasoning cube, some fish flakes, more onion, give it a stir. I'll be adding a little amount of water into the sauce, then give it a thorough stir. At this point, it's almost cooked. Then transfer into a flat plate and spread the sauce to cool. It has to be cool before we can use it for the filling. Before we can use it to fill the pies, the sauce has to cool down. So as it cools, I bring out the dough from the refrigerator and divide into 6 parts. I'll roll out each dough. And I will use this cup to bring out the shape and size needed for the pie. For this recipe, I'm using my muffin pan. So I will roll each one out and fill the pan. Just watch what I am doing. After this, I will fill them up with the filling. After filling them with the onion filling, I will then roll out another dough. This is for the cover. I will use this flat-shaped doughs to cover each pie. Now go ahead and brush each tip with egg whites to make the sealing of the pie much easier when I place the cover. Brush very well with the egg whites. I'll cover the pies. Not enough. I'll roll out more dough. Cut out more shapes, round shape, to cover the rest of the pies. Now readjust and seal. For more proper sealing, use your fork and make impression at the edges of the pie to make sure it is well sealed. I'll brush with the egg whites again each pie top, I'll brush with the egg white. I will use my fork now to create a hole on each pie. Make a hole with your fork or skewer on each pie for proper cooking. Then you transfer into the oven and let it bake for 25 minutes. Our cup pie is ready. This cup pie is very flaky and yummy. It tastes super delicious too. If you love my recipe, hit the subscribe button, share and like. If there's any food recipe you would like me to make a video on, drop it on the comment section and I will gladly do that. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I love you. And thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.